Would you advise using LLMs at the start of learning? I mean, wouldn't coding using documentation will help more? Absolutely. Like, I wouldn't recommend to use LLMs if you are starting with the coding, because of course there is a lot of hype. It seems that everyone can do anything now, that you can ask you can ask like with the prompt, but you need to have at least a good understanding of the programming language and at least some expertise where when the moments are difficult, you know what you're doing. So now I'm using a lot of Copilot, because if I will do this by myself from scratch, it will take many months, and it's not possible not to use it now. Like, since we have this, we can speed up our programming speed by, I can't even define, if 100 times faster with the Copilot writing the code like this. It's true that you will learn much less if you just use Copilot if you're new. So I recommend, what I did is to build, I mean, when I started many years ago, like there was nothing like Copilot, but if I would have to start from scratch, I would go with I will start with the official documentation. For example, OpenCV, they have like a great official documentation where you have like the basic, and you can cover this in not so much time. So if you put like 1 hour a day, like let's say in 1 month, you can be already quite good. Second, choose a project that you really enjoy and that's fun for you, and a project that feels quite complex and that can push you. So a bit above what you can do, not too complex, otherwise you will feel overwhelmed and you give up. And that way you will keep pushing yourself while enjoying the process at the same time. So you need to find a balance, otherwise you will quit, you will hate everything, and you will not want to go back again. So I recommend to study, have fun at the same time. Now there is Copilot, so ask a lot of questions to Copilot. So if you're using Copilot, ask, okay, write the code, write this code, and you ask what code, and then you ask, explain why, explain every line, explain every single line of the code, and then you can go through every single line of the code by yourself and so on. So I recommend to do something like this.